roller control forks real quick. Soren, you alright? Oh my gosh.
Oh, oh my gosh. Hello, we are here at Enterprise South Nature Park. We've been here once before and it was a lot of fun, so we'll show you the trails, some of the things along the way that are really fun. Here we go. Little pump section to warm up. There you go. Every other day, it switches directions. So today is Saturday, so we are headed this direction, and it's a bit of a climb. Then there's like a really great downhill portion. All right, we've got Soren. Getting out on the trails as a family is something that we are passionate about, but it takes a lot of work and a lot of flexibility. We never quite know how long it's going to take to get everything together and everybody on their bikes, and Steven makes sure that all the bikes are, you know, good to go. He makes sure that none of them are, you know, flat or whatever. But it's so worth it once we get out here. We have such a great time, and it's meaningful to us. So we all have walkie-talkies on us. Super helpful. They are very long range, and the boys have camelbacks and snacks. So I've talked about that in other videos, what we take with us to prepare and make sure our kids are safe and happy. Head up to the boys. Whew, we're still on this climb. There they are. How's everybody? We good? All right, fam bam. If you've started following our journey and you're enjoying it, but you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That helps us with being able to grow and, you know, share with anybody that you think might have an interest in learning how to mountain bike or like taking their families out on fun adventures. Helps us to grow the channel. Like and comment. Let me know you're enjoying it. Let me know what type of content is helpful that I can create for you. I want to know. It's a beautiful day out here. Oh my goodness, so pretty. It's warm, but the trail is shaded, and then the thing about biking is that you get a really nice breeze when you get going, and it cools you off. I'll see you on the downhill.
Yeah, that's Charmander.
We had a little mishap. Little mister, his little foot strap broke, so we're taking a little break.
Did it fall?
No, Daddy said it's just the foot strap broke, so Steven's gone back to the car to get the other baby seat. We only brought one with us, so just waiting. Oh, baby wants to keep going though. Do you want to keep walking?
Keep going. So do I want.
You know, this is the reality. Things don't always go as planned. We're hoping we can continue to ride, but we know that sometimes curveballs happen. But I always want to make sure to share, you know, that adventuring with kids is full of ups and downs. It's never easy or all rainbows and butterflies and beautiful nature and smiles. Our kids have meltdowns, and we have malfunctions with our bikes and slowdowns, but the goal is that our kids are safe and that we just make memories and, you know, enjoy the beautiful nature along the way.
bricks in here. Let me look at trail forks real quick. Soren, you alright? Oh my gosh.
Oh, oh my gosh.
Boy, that's a long drop.
Woo. That made me nervous.
Yeah. Keep going. Yeah, you got this.
That on the downhill?
What?
Yeah. All right, really muddy right there. We got the other part of the trail. I was just waiting up for Brooks and Mommy. All right, nice breaks. Nice breaks. Yay! All right, second part. Are we ready? All right. Yeah, nice. Stay agile. All right, you're in a parking lot, so use some brakes. Good job, buddy.
Right. TNT. Ooh, so flowy. This part's so fun. We were on Black Forest and we did that whole loop, and then just one of those days, like our two littlest just weren't having it. So I'm taking now TNT with my older son, while Steven stays with the littles in the car. So we're being flexible, figuring out what we need to do to get through today. But this part's really fun. It's like a 6-kilometer loop. We're gonna try it out. See how it goes, see how fast we can do it with just us. Oh, it's so pretty. The pine needles, these trees. Oh, this is so fun. gotten a lot more used to my new bike, and it just feels so smooth. Whew. We all conquered some skinnies today. That was fun. This park is so cool. It has hike trails and bike trails, and they're all separate, which is nice. And this is single track, so it's nice that everybody goes the same direction and it just changes every day. Although, because we only come here on Saturdays, it ends up being the same direction every time we come, but that's okay. See lots of people out here. They have like a huge dog park as well. It'd be really fun to take dogs too. Always working on looking ahead and checking the trail. It definitely is easier when I don't have somebody in front of me, because I tend to look at them and not the trail. So I find I do better when I remember not to look at the person in front of me riding. We have used our radios a ton today. If there's one thing I'm glad we've gotten for these bike rides, it's far-reaching radios to communicate. They've been really great. Helped us out a ton. Here we go. Into the trees. Oh, guess I could have taken that, but it's kind of up and down, pretty flowy, but then there's some uphill still in the middle. If you ride in Chattanooga, comment your favorite place to ride. If you've been here. Last time we came here, we had brunch at like 2, and I don't know why brunch places can't just stay open into the evening. Like, I don't know. If you're a brunch person, if you're a person that's gonna buy brunch, you're gonna buy it for dinner. That's how it works. So brunch places need to stay open, in my opinion, until as late as possible. But it was really good. It was like BBB is what it's called. I don't even know what that stands for. Off the post, look ahead. It's a little flowy. Woo. This is so pretty. Yeah. Woo. If you're a mom out there mountain biking, let me know. How'd you get into mountain biking? Ooh. Ooh. I think last time I was here, I almost wrecked my husband's bike at that spot because I was riding his bike. And I didn't drop the dropper post, and I almost just completely went over the edge. Getting better at these turns. Gotta get back. And look where I'm going. There we go. Those used to throw me off. I used to have to walk them. This was an area where they hid dynamite. This area, they like made these bunkers in like a honeycomb shape so they wouldn't be as detectable during, I guess World War II. Hello! Woo! 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 Pretty cool. We were tired. Quite the climb on the latter half of this trail on a Saturday. I definitely think with kids it's better to do the climb first. Get it out of the way, then do the downhill. It's pretty hard to motivate kids at the very end of a ride on an uphill, on a climb. And my son's like, water is hot in his pack, and yeah. So keep that in mind. But we're almost back. We had a beautiful time here at Enterprise South Nature Park in Chattanooga.
You can rent all kinds of cars.
Look at this. It's hilarious.
You didn't even laugh.
It's so funny. Wow. It's so bright, but yeah. Love that. Sometimes our bike rides are so intense that we have to just completely refuel.